Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock Facebook profile in your phone, right? So first of all, we will go into the Facebook mobile application, and before that make sure that you are using the latest version, right? So if you are not using a latest version, just go to our App Store or Play Store and update your apps as soon as possible. So we are into this Facebook interface, and on the top right side corner there's three lines. We will just click on here, and on the top there is a settings icon. We will click on that, and after that you can see the very first option, that is profile setting. We will click here. So it's very easy guys. Then you have to scroll a little bit, and in the second option, that is below privacy, there is profile locking, right? And here you can see, you can read all this information, and it says that only friends will see your photos, posts and stories. Only friends will see your full size profile picture and cover photo and all that. So below that there is option of lock your profile. Just click on this, and after that it will take some time, and here you can see that you logged your profile. So this you will get the notification like this, and this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, do like this video, subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.